Good morning students. Today we are going to read chapter 10, the comma s of our English grammar book. So first of all, read these sentences. Manya is playing with a doll. Manya's doll can talk. So here Manya's doll means the doll belonging to Manya. It means comma s is used to show belonging. In the same way, you can look here this example. The elephant's trunk is very long. Here elephant's trunk means the trunk of the elephant. Okay. So now come to exercise A. Rewrite these expressions using comma s. Examples. The doll belonging to Nisha. It means Nisha's doll. The tail of the dog. It means the dog's tail. In the same way, we will do all these sentences. The house belonging to Ravi. It means Ravi's house. The next one is the nest belonging to the bird. It means the bird's nest. In the same way, we will do these sentences. Now come to the next thing. Here is an example. Nilesh is Rahul's brother. Here Rahul's brother shows that Rahul and Nilesh are related. Now the next page. Rohini's school is in Noida. Rohini's school. It means the school in which Rohini studies. So comma s is used to show that something is related to another. Now the next exercise. Rewrite these expressions using comma s. Sister of Meena. So we can write it in this way also, Meena's sister. The next one is the movies in which Ranbir has acted. It means Ranbir's movies. Now sentence number 1. The school in which Varun studies. Varun's school. The next one is the office in which Jyoti works. So we can write it Jyoti's office. Now in this way we can do all these sentences. Here is another thing. When nouns talk about more than one thing, they usually end in s. In such cases, we only add comma to show belonging. This is called apostrophe comma. So for example, the tails of the dogs. When the noun is plural, dogs is a plural noun, so we can write it in this way. The dogs, comma, tails. The dogs, apostrophe comma, and then tails. There is no need to write s after comma. In the same way, the next example, the books belonging to the students. So we can write it the students' books. We can write it in this way. There is no need to write s after apostrophe comma. The students' books. Now turn over the page. Exercise C. Rewrite these expressions using apostrophe comma. Number 1 is the dresses belonging to the girls. So we can write it in this way. The girls' dresses. So girls is a plural noun. So we will not write s after this comma. Okay. Now the next sentence is the shoes belonging to the ladies. So we can write it in this way. The ladies' shoes. Now come to the next exercise. Exercise D. Rewrite these sentences using comma or comma s. Number 1. The bag carried by Rahul is very heavy. So the words written in bold letters can be written as Rahul's bag is very heavy. Now the next sentence, the office of my father is in Delhi. So this part that is written in bold letters, the office of my father, we can write it in this way, my father's office. And we will rewrite this sentence, my father's office is in Delhi. In the same way, we can do this exercise. Now this chapter is completed and I hope that all of you have understood very well. Thank you.